Did you know Converter Magic repairs catalytic converters in 10 easy steps?
Hey, let's talk about never replacing a catalytic converter ever again. And then let's also talk about what not to do. Like, don't pour goofy stuff in your gas tank. Don't tear your catalytic converter off and try to blow it up. My God, some of the things that are being talked about on the internet are just crazy. So here we are, we're all bunkered up and we're quarantined because of this stupid virus. I hope everyone is well. Please be safe. Doing my part here in my boat, quarantining myself. I know everyone is getting frustrated. This is going on way too long, but you know what? We just have to do our part, and this all will pass at some point, and we can get back to business. But right now, hey, we're all on YouTube. We're all on the internet. We're Googling how to repair a catalytic converter. What can I do to fix my catalytic converter? Can I clean my catalytic converter? There is just some crazy information out there that you have to know about. And you can't be doing these things. I just saw one the other day where a guy literally crisscrossed his spark plug wires. It created a misfire. The catalytic converter was burning red. And he's saying, the catalytic converter is a cherry pie. It's red like a cherry pie. I don't know why he was doing this. Was he trying to burn off some contaminants that were in the catalytic converter? Just crazy stuff. I got a call from a guy the other day. He's got his check engine light went on. He's got a failed catalytic converter. Hey, what do I do? I said, listen, log on to convertermagic.com. Check out the Converter Magic product. If that's something that makes sense for you, then we can help you do that, and we can repair and restore function to your catalytic converter. So he did that. He called me back up. He's like, you know what? That really looks great, but I think that's too much money. And I'm thinking to myself, you go to your local repair shop, it's going to cost you $1,200 to get a replacement, and under $100 is too much money. So I said that to him. I said, you know, what kind of money did you want to spend? He said, well, I was on the internet the other day, and I saw a guy who was dumping kerosene in his catalytic converter, and it could clean the catalytic converter. And I'm like, what? Kerosene in the catalytic converter? That sounds crazy. I said, how did he get it in the catalytic converter? He said, well, he chopped the catalytic converter off and he dumped it in a bucket, and he soaked it in a bucket overnight. I'm thinking to myself, that is just crazy. So did it work? I don't know if it worked or not. So I said to my friend, I said, so if you do that, how are you going to cut your catalytic converter off, and how are you going to put your catalytic converter back on? And, you know, you get the pause on the other end of the phone, and, well, like, is there any way maybe I could just, like, pour it down through the exhaust and into the catalytic converter? And I'm like, whoa, where are you getting these crazy ideas? You cannot do this. It is dangerous. Your car's going to turn into a cherry pie. Your car's going to burn to the ground. Do not do these crazy things. There are only two ways to repair a failed catalytic converter. A catalytic converter that's truly failed, it's no longer working, it's lost its efficiency. The one is to spend a ton of money, get it replaced, go to a quality repair shop that knows what they're doing, and have the catalytic converter replaced. Or the other option is to log on to convertermagic.com, check out all the training videos, and you can learn how to repair and restore function to your catalytic converter in about 1 hour's time, in about 10 steps. You can do this. The videos are going to show you how. And those are the only two ways that you can legitimately repair a catalytic converter and safely repair a catalytic converter. So listen, be careful what you see online. There are some crazy, dangerous things out there. Log on to convertermagic.com. Check out the Converter Magic product. If this makes sense to you, check it out. Give it a try. And you'll be satisfied if you do. So, thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And ring that bell so that you can get all of our videos. Please be safe, and I'll see you next time.